Have you ever made plans based on the weather forecast only to find yourself caught in an unexpected downpour, or perhaps dressed for a chill that never arrived? It is a common experience, but sometimes the forecast feels spot on. So, what makes some weather predictions more dependable than others? Well, the simple answer is that the reliability of a weather forecast largely depends on the amount of real-time data available, the sophistication of the numerical weather models used, and crucially, how far into the future the forecast is trying to predict. Shorter-term forecasts, especially within the next few days, are generally much more accurate. The core mechanism behind forecast reliability lies in meteorologists' ability to accurately capture the current state of the atmosphere and then use powerful computer models to simulate how it will evolve. This process starts with vast amounts of data collected from satellites, weather balloons, radar, ground sensors, and even aircraft. These observations are fed into complex numerical weather prediction models, which are essentially supercomputers running intricate physics equations. However, the atmosphere is a chaotic system, meaning tiny initial differences in the input data can lead to significant changes in the predicted outcome over time. This sensitivity grows the further out the forecast goes. For you, understanding this means you can interpret forecasts more effectively. Always consider the time horizon of the forecast. A prediction for tomorrow will almost always be more reliable than one for next week. Also, look for forecasts that provide a confidence level or range of possibilities, often presented as an ensemble forecast. This involves running the same model multiple times with slightly varied initial conditions, giving a spectrum of potential outcomes rather than a single definitive prediction. When many of these ensemble runs agree, it indicates higher forecast confidence. An insider detail to look for is what meteorologists call model consensus. This happens when different independent weather models, developed by various meteorological centers around the world, all agree on a similar outcome. When you see strong model consensus for a particular weather event, like a snowstorm or a heat wave, you can generally put more trust in that forecast. Conversely, if models are wildly disagreeing, it suggests lower confidence and greater uncertainty in the prediction. Ultimately, recognizing that weather forecasting is a blend of science, data, and probability empowers you to make smarter decisions, whether you are planning a weekend picnic or preparing for a significant storm. By understanding the factors that influence reliability, especially the role of current data, sophisticated models, and the inherent chaos of the atmosphere, you can better gauge how much faith to put in your next weather update, leading to fewer surprises and better preparation.